The shift from dollar dominance, the rise of non-traditional reserve currencies. The US dollar has long been the backbone of the global economy, serving as the primary reserve currency for decades. Its influence spans international trade, finance, and government reserves, providing stability and a sense of security to those who hold it. Yet, recent trends suggest that the dollar's dominance is waning as central banks diversify their reserves to include non-traditional currencies. Over the past 2 decades, the share of global foreign exchange reserves held in US dollars has steadily declined, dropping below 59% in the final quarter of last year, according to the International Monetary Fund, IMF. While this might seem like a modest shift, it reflects a broader trend towards greater diversification in global finance. One significant example is the Bank of Israel, which recently announced a new strategy for its reserves portfolio. Starting this year, the bank will reduce its holdings in US dollars and increase allocations to other currencies, such as the Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, Chinese renminbi, and Japanese yen. This move demonstrates the growing inclination among central banks to explore alternative reserve assets beyond the traditional US dollar. However, the decline in the dollar's share of global reserves hasn't led to a corresponding increase in the shares of other major reserve currencies, like the euro, yen, or pound. The Chinese renminbi, despite its rising prominence, accounts for just a quarter of the shift away from the dollar. Part of the reason is China's relatively closed capital account, which limits the renminbi's appeal as a global reserve currency. In fact, nearly a third of the world's renminbi reserves are held by Russia, indicating that its adoption is uneven across the globe. More intriguingly, the currencies of smaller economies, which traditionally haven't played significant roles in reserve portfolios, are gaining ground. The Australian and Canadian dollars, Swedish krona, and South Korean won together account for 3/4 of the shift away from the dollar. What makes these currencies attractive? For one, they offer higher returns while maintaining relatively low volatility. This combination is appealing to central bank reserve managers, especially as foreign exchange stockpiles grow, heightening the need for effective portfolio management. Technological advancements also contribute to the rise of non-traditional reserve currencies. Automated market making and liquidity management systems have made trading these currencies more cost-effective, further encouraging central banks to consider them for their reserves. Additionally, some of these currencies are issued by countries with bilateral swap lines with the Federal Reserve, providing a sense of confidence in their stability relative to the US dollar. Nonetheless, there's debate about the stability of these currencies. While some benefit from bilateral swap lines with the Fed, they tend to fluctuate significantly against the dollar. A regression analysis shows that having a Fed swap line is associated with a 9 percentage point increase in the dollar's share of the recipient's reserves, suggesting that swap lines might not fully substitute actual reserves. A more plausible explanation for the growing appeal of non-traditional reserve currencies is that they come from countries with open capital accounts, sound policies, and good governance. These factors are crucial in establishing a currency as a reliable reserve. A regression analysis indicates that a higher economic risk premium, measured by the cost of credit derivatives to insure against default, is associated with a reduced share of a currency in global reserves. This suggests that central banks prefer currencies from countries with stable economic and political environments. In conclusion, while the US dollar remains a dominant force in the global economy, its share of foreign exchange reserves is gradually declining as central banks seek alternative reserve assets. The rise of non-traditional reserve currencies reflects a desire for diversification and stability in an increasingly complex financial landscape. As the world continues to evolve, the dominance of the dollar may give way to a more balanced mix of global reserve currencies, each offering unique benefits and challenges. If you like this type of finance-related videos, please like and subscribe this channel.